Could the only police station in Glengoffe, St. Catherine be shut down soon? Well, Mayor of Spanish Town, Norman Scott, said he'll be lobbying the St. Catherine Health Department to close the facility after mounting health and safety concerns. Kelisha Williams has that story.
The condition at this place is not even fit to put, what do you call it, sensor foul, to raise sensor foul.
Mayor of Spanish Town, Norman Scott, on the condition of the Glengoffe police station in St. Catherine. The facility has fallen into disrepair and has become a haven for rats, roaches, and termites, threatening the health and safety of the men and women who work here. Mr. Scott is among several stakeholders who have been renewing calls for the station to be fixed, but now he's taking a different approach.
As the chairman of the Board of Health, I'm going to ask the chief inspector to come and do a tour, because from what I see, this facility should be closed just for health reasons.
But is shutting down the only police station in the rural community a good decision at this time when crime has been on the rise island-wide? We were told that there are other buildings in the community which could temporarily house the policemen and women. Mr. Scott believes the situation is now an emergency.
Even facilities that are owned and operated by the municipal corporation, from time to time the health department goes there and they make their diagnosis and they ask that upgrade works be done. If it is not done within the specified time, then they ask that the facility be closed. And this is no different.
Now the situation at Glengoffe comes at a time when the Police Federation has been pressing for a better wage and compensation package from the government. Chairman of the Federation, Corporal Rohan James, said he is well aware of the problem at Glengoffe and has been calling for an urgent intervention.
Though we have been reassured that work would have commenced on the facility by the Commissioner of Police, to date we are still left to hold the suffering and for the men and women to be operating under subpar condition. And at this time, we are saying to the government, our employer, to make the necessary funding and capital available so that the men and women can operate in conducive environment.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.